Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Virgos. We'll be picking few cards as usual, guys, for your daily energy. This is for your daily energy, Virgos, and this is for your career situation, guys, and this is for your relationship, and one card from the Rumi Oracle Guidance. So this is the card. We will keep this card here, guys, and I will turn the cards as we proceed, guys. Virgos, for your daily reading, Virgos, it is the Emperor. So Virgos, in your situation today, you are a person of great stability and strength. You have a vision, and you are a person of great knowledge and authority. Maybe you are a person who makes important decisions in your career or in your personal life, and you are a father figure or an important person who makes responsible important decisions, and people look up to you for support and the strength you radiate in your situation, guys, that confidence you have in your situation. So people just ask you for suggestions what you need to do in any situation, guys. So that is what I see with this card, and you are a person of great accomplishment. You have reached success in your work and in your personal life, so that adds to your advantage, guys. That is what I see with that card. So for your career situation, what is the card? The completed world. So with this card here, just like I said, you have that sense of accomplishment in your situation, something you can be happy about. Things are going in a very positive way. You have successfully completed some goals or some achievements you had for yourself. That emotional contentment and fulfillment is there, and you your health wise you are good, and in your finance you are very good, and in your personal life also you are enjoying that completion and attainment, guys. That sense of attainment is there for you in your life. So that is what I see with this card here, guys. So success is what is in the cards for you, Virgos, for your career situation. So let us see what is your love situation. Lovers. So I feel things are going in a positive way, guys. You have that harmony in this relationship. Maybe for some of you, you would have had some minor arguments or trials you would have faced. So maybe for some of you, you may be moving towards marriage with this person or engagement with them. So some kind of a positive progress, that passion, intimacy and harmony is there in this relationship. So you are happy for this connection, and this person you are in connection with, they are also happy for you, and you both share that harmony, bliss and happiness in this connection, guys. So that is what this card is about. So let us see what is your Oracle guidance. We just picked one card. We will turn the card here. Sacred Union. So that is the card. So this card may or may not relate to your personal situation, guys, but this card is a guidance. So what we can do in our situation to make it a better one. So this card comes with a particular piece of guidance, guys. So no matter what has been, what has succeeded and what has appeared to fail, what has been loved and what has been lost, there is only one truth, guys, that will prevail in your life without failure, without exception, and that is love. So love is all that we need, all that we are truly seeking in our life. So we need not stand back from it. So we need not pretend that we cannot see it in that world. We have to be bold. We have to be bold to accept love in our life, so that what is destined for us in heavens and what is blessed for us will always come to a pass. So that is what this card is about, guys. So the person with whom we are meant to be with, that person will come into our life, guys, once we accept that truth that we cannot hold ourselves away from love. So that is what this guidance is about, Virgos, and that is the reading for you all today, Virgos. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.